Another video with a bare face as the intro? I don't know. Well, in this video, technically, we're not doing any makeup. We are doing my skincare routine for winter. It's already cold here. It's like 27 degrees for the high today. So yeah, I'm gonna go through step by step, show you guys what I use and the alternative. Like, I have 2 cleansers that I love right now. So I'm gonna tell you everything I'm using pretty much. So I hope you guys enjoy this. There is a giveaway in this video. We are doing our 7 days of giveaways. Also, I wanted to let you guys know I was totally having some major technical issues. My computer was not having it. That is why the last couple videos were delayed. They had already been filmed, but I couldn't get them to YouTube. So hopefully we've got everything on track. Also, if you are new here, I always want to let you guys know we use all natural lighting here. This is my skin. These are my pores. This is the rosacea. You guys can see it all. Lights really blur out the skin, make the skin look better. I want you guys to see my skin. I want you to see what I use, how I cover it, all of that. So I'm gonna quit jibber jabbering and let's hop in. Okay guys, so I have a bowl of water sitting in front of me and that's how we're gonna do this. I'm just going to grab a washcloth and wet it and wet my skin a little bit. So, just gonna do this number. Also, you haven't seen me a whole lot with nothing on my skin. Right here, you guys can see that huge red spot. Oh my gosh, I hate it. But I went to the dermatologist about it because it's new. I've had it for about a month, maybe 2. But it's made me so self-conscious about my skin, you guys. I'm gonna grab this. This is my first product. This is the First Aid Beauty Pure Skin Face Cleanser. I love this. It is not drying at all. In the winter, I need extra moisture. I have normal skin, but if I don't continue to take care of it, it will get dry. So this is beautiful. I love it. But anyway, I went to the dermatologist. You guys can see it there. And it is a broken blood vessel on my nose. So really, the only options I have are to just leave it be, which I really don't want to do. Or we can try laser, and they said laser was really effective for it. So I have an appointment for consultation for laser. If you guys have had any laser, like for something like this, or varicose veins, any of that, let me know how it worked. I know there's different types of laser, and I've never had any of that done, but I know there's different types, so I'm kind of curious, but I don't know if it's worth it. I don't know if it is going to take, you know, several sessions. I don't know, but I am very self-conscious about it, so you know how that is. Like, I have enough redness on my skin. I'd prefer to not have that, but I guess if there's something I can do, I will try it. Okay, now with that all on, I'm gonna grab my wash rag again. Yeah, wash rag. I know, I'm so country. And then start to remove that. I do gently rub it. I know some people only pat, but I do rub. Oh, man. I don't know why, but cleansing my skin, doing my whole routine is very therapeutic to me. It's very relaxing. Like, I just love it. I had been slacking though, I'm not gonna lie. So I'm getting back in my routine twice a day, every day. Because my skin has been acting up so bad, you guys. So bad. And I know it's my own fault, because I'm not keeping up with my skincare. So, like I said, twice a day, every day. Like, I never used to do that. I wouldn't skip it. So, Gotta get back to it. I've been doing good the last few weeks, but I was breaking out so bad between my eyebrows. Some of it's still there. And then if I don't use the First Aid Beauty, I'll use this. This is a recent addition. I've had it for about 4 months now. This is the Peach and Lily Powercom Hydrating Gel Cleanser. This is really good too, you guys, but this is more of a gel, whereas this one's more of a cream. But oh my gosh, those are my two favorites right now. And of course, you know, skincare switches out. You use this instead of this and just do what your skin needs. So for serums, this is the Bare Minerals Skin Longevity Vital Power Infusion. This is everything, you guys. They have recently changed the formula, so I hope it is good or as good. They have, they have made it vegan, so I'm hoping it's still just as good, because this keeps my skin smooth. It takes care of the texture. It's just everything, you guys. If I use this and I stop using it, I can tell. Just like I said, how I was breaking out, yeah, I can for sure tell. Normally I have a vitamin C serum, but I don't have one in my rotation right now. Also, I use this regularly. This is the CosRx, I guess that's how you say it, Hyaluronic Acid Hydropower Essence. You guys can see I've used quite a bit of this. Put this on first, then serum, then moisturizer. I have several moisturizers to talk about, you guys. So if I want something heavy duty, I would go in with the Dermalogica Skin Smoothing Cream. That's what I'm going to put on today. This just really packs a punch with the moisture. Like, it does its job. You can tell it's on your skin. It doesn't fade away quickly. It is wonderful. If I wanted something lighter, let me find it in here, I would go in with the Dermalogica Calm Water Gel. I love both of these. This is, like it says, it's a gel. It's not as heavy. If you have oily skin, this would be great. It's a lighter gel moisturizer. Now we're going to get into two moisturizers that I use for preventative measures, for my lines, all of that. So these are both by Philosophy. This is the Anti-Wrinkle Miracle Worker. This is heavy. Like, this would be my nighttime moisturizer. You can feel it on the skin. It doesn't make you oily or greasy, but it is a thicker moisturizer. But you guys can see results with this pretty quickly. You can see it there. This does a lot, honestly. If you guys Google it, read the description of it for what it says it's going to do, it does most of those. Now, this is Renewed Hope in a Jar. I have talked about this before. I love the way this smells. Oh, I just love it. I'm almost out. I have just purchased another one, but this has an AHA, which means it is going to naturally exfoliate the skin. I love this. I only use this in fall and winter, where it does have an AHA. If you're out in the sun at all, you can burn really quickly. So I am in the sun spring and summer. Even if I use sunscreen, I won't chance using an AHA in my skincare. So this is a staple for me in fall and winter, you guys. Let's throw on, well, let's focus. Let's throw on an eye cream. This is the Crepe Erase Flaw Fix Eye Cream. This is a richer cream. I have another one in here that is lighter, but again, preventative measures, you want to keep some different things on hand, so that way whatever issue you're having, you can grab for that one. I do put this on the eyelids. I think people forget about that, but the eyelids are just as tender as the under eye, if not more so. It is thin skin, you guys. So I kind of disperse it and then pat it in. Don't want to move around that skin too much. So as I'm getting older, I can definitely see more lines coming. So I want to do what I can. The other eye product I have is from Pacifica. This is the Vegan Collagen Recovery Eye Cream. This is just one. I'm not sure it's going to do anything. This is newer in my collection, but it's very thin. This is not a rich cream at all. You can kind of see it move there. It's very thin. I think if you're younger, you don't have a lot of issues with the under eye, I think this would be good just to keep it hydrated. If you are aging, more mature skin, I would pass on this guy. I also keep this around. This is the Inky List Caffeine Serum. So like I said, this is a serum. I would put this on first and then I would put my other eye cream on. This just depuffs. It's exactly like it says, it's caffeine, but I do really like it. Now, if I had to talk about, wow, I about said a moisturizer? No. An exfoliator, this is my favorite. This is just a little guy of it, but this lasts a long time, you guys, a really long time. This is the Dermalogica Daily Microfoliant. I also like the Super Foliant. I think that's what it's called, but I love both of these. It's literally, oh, it's so little, like it's powder. It's a powder in your hand, but that makes your skin so smooth, you guys, so smooth. I'm also going to talk about something that I recently got. This is the Caudally Veno SOS Thirst Quenching Serum. I used this a couple years back and I loved it. I got it again and I don't like it. The scent is so much stronger to me for some reason. I don't remember it being that strong. Now it lasts on my skin all day. The scent does not dissipate at all. Like, it is just there. You wouldn't think it would be because it's not heavily fragranced, but there is a fragrance. You guys, I cannot talk. There is a fragrance and I don't like it, and I don't recommend this one. So let me put that out there because this was newer to my collection again. But I think that is everything, my whole routine. If I forget anything, I will definitely list it down below. But like I said, I know a lot of these are on the pricier side, and I get that. But I catch them on sale. I'll just get one product here and there, and I keep adding to my collection. I have a pretty vast collection. This is just what I'm using right now, winter time, cold weather. But you can always catch them on sale. I know with the Black Friday stuff and Cyber Monday, I hope you guys picked up a few things. But yeah, let me know your staple products. But let's talk about the giveaway. Today, we are going to give away a Philosophy Purity Made Simple. I used to use this all the time. With this one, it does effectively clean the skin, but I don't recommend you use it twice a day. It can be a bit drying for me. Oh, you guys, I forgot to mention this. If I am removing makeup, like at the end of the night, I always use this Clinique Take the Day Off Balm. I'm sure you guys have heard about this. This is just the best balm for sure. But yeah, let's talk about the other giveaway. There's actually two in this one. And this is the Neutrogena Rapid Wrinkle Repair Eye Cream. It says it targets fine lines and crow's feet. This does have retinol in it. Kind of think of it like an AHA, but retinol is so effective, you guys, so effective. With this, if you aren't used to using retinol, you're gonna wanna use a small amount, put it on, maybe start out once a week and build your way up to it. Don't put it on day and night every day at first. You'll peel. I have literally made that mistake. But yeah, so somebody will be getting both of these babies. Sorry, there's a school bus over there just beeping. But yeah, that is everything. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Take care of your skin, you guys. I wish I had started long before I did, but I've been really on top of my skincare for about, I would say, 8 years now. Before, I didn't take care of my skin as well. And trust me, I wish I had. If you start early, you can prevent things instead of trying to fix them later. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy, and I hope you subscribe if you haven't already. To enter the giveaway, all you have to do is like this video, make sure you're subscribed, leave me a comment of whatever you would like, hop over to my Instagram and follow me there, and that's it. So yeah, I will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.